Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing this Canon lens 55 to 50 250 millimeter, and let's just unboxing it. Let me just go around it. Just something over there. Yep. Box. Yeah. Canon and Canon. Let me just take this off. Alright. Alright. And here's manual over there. Yeah, something which is not in English. That's weird. Yeah, just put that on side. And this is Canon limited warranty over there. Yep, pretty good. And here is the lens. Here's the lens. Canon. Yep. I'm so excited to use this. Yeah. There we go. I will try this lens tomorrow, probably. Take some picture outside, and I'm so excited with it. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Alright, peace.
In a desert, you're standing, a silhouette, emotion. In a desert, you're standing, a silhouette.